Hello guys, welcome to our new video in New Personal Life. Today I will discuss with you about Amazon Associate account A to Z process with how to create a website without any cost, and you make money online with Amazon Associate program, that you can easily generate traffic and make sales, that you can make profit. In my previous video I will discuss with you Amazon Associate program is one of the largest affiliate marketing program that you can earn a huge money, and it is very easy, it's not so much hard. So let's get started. We need to create a website. That's name here. We create a website that is, or now I start from first, then you go to blogger.com. Okay, here already I create a blog. If you want to create new blog, then new blog, choose a name and follow the next procedure, then you may create a blog. I already create a blog after some minute, and before some minute, that's why I don't create another blog. Here is blogspot.com, is a free website that you can get a without costing. You get a website that, but you have here a post name is blogspot.com is a subdomain. Not a problem, it's not a big deal. Now you need to choose. Here have I discussed some steps. If you follow this step, you may be success in this Amazon Associate program. First name you need to choose a niche. A specific niche is very effective for generate traffic and generate sales. If you choose electronics item or any another niche, so you may generate leads and sales in this website, and generate huge profit. So first step is you need to create a blog, and suppose we create a blog as the name is Amazing Electronics. Okay. Now we post anything, product review, anything else, that's your regular product, regular review, regular post. And next cause is now we need to go Amazon Associate program. You need to create Amazon Associate program. Amazon Associate and affiliate program.amazon.com. I have already in this account. This is a new account, for I create this account for you that you can easily get live. Okay, so I have, if you are not able to create this account, please do your comment and I will help you. Okay, now in new tab, if you go here, you need to create your Amazon account. Okay, first name, email, password, and if you submit, then you get your email account have a code. If you submit this code, next you get a phone number verification. If you verify your phone number, then you go to affiliate program homepage. Okay, then you can go to this page. Now, how to promote a product in your website. Now let's we check this game Final Fantasy, or we can now, okay, Apple AirPod Pro. If we want to choose this product, okay, we want to sell this product with my website or our website. So if you log in amazon.com and amazon.com homepage, you got this type of page. Okay, okay, here all the things you got in this video in description. Now you need to go here, Amazon Associate Site Script. Here you get link. If you want to only text, then you can this type of heading, you only get this. And if you want to image, then you get only this image. And if you want to text and text plus image, then you may go here. Just click here, text plus image, then here a HTML code, and just copy this HTML code and paste into, just go to your post, your blogger, and now go to layout. If you go to your layout, then here you need to add a gadget. Here is HTML JavaScript, no need to put any title. Now you just submit this code and save. Okay, if here we post this data, and another space we post another data, footer we paste another code. Okay, save. Okay, now if we reload this website, we get those product review in here. Look, Amazon Apple AirPod Pro wireless. Okay, here is the basic things of this product. Affiliate, Amazon Associate, how to create a free website, and if you want to start affiliate marketing with Amazon Associate without any costing, just follow this step. And in my second video I will give you another more information how to generate traffic easily with blogger. Okay, this blogger is a very good for any type of website ranking. You don't need to create domain hosting. Blogspot is totally free. If you can use any type of hosting domain, you need to pay money, but in Blogspot it's totally free. So if you make money online without any cost, it's very good for you and for everything. Okay, now this is today's video, and my next video I will discuss more some secret how which type of product is very effective for Amazon Associate, which type of product is sells regularly and you can make profit easily. Okay, and if you want to another types of video, another information, just comment my video and I will try to give you a solution. Another way, you can post this product. Okay, you can post this product. Here have also another link. Here if you only want to get only text code, then you get this code. Okay, and if you another, I will give you another secrets, that's just you copy paste job and you make profit. Okay, just create a subject. Sorry, it's too much. Apple AirPod Pro wireless earbuds. Just we cut and a high quality with cheap cost. Okay, just you copy from Amazon product. Just copy the details and paste it. Okay, now you can choose those images for attraction. Okay, desktop, Amazon. You can save some image. Sorry. Okay, and last, this image is very important. Okay, you can here add this comparison also to get more advantage. If you can copy this information also and paste here. Okay, and here some just copy, paste. Okay, now you want to add some image, upload from computer, choose file. First just attract your customer. Okay, select. Okay, here you can another image, choose file. Okay, this is both of 6 images. Now all the image is set by one by one. Okay, now if you post here this link easily, here we just go this product and text. Okay, sorry. Okay, just copy this link and here just paste this link. Okay, and you can add all this image in this product, Amazon product link. It's also another good option to sales. If you generate a traffic and someone click your link and okay, just I do it live, and in here you can also add some right, that is buy now. Just add a link. Okay, you can add more add insert this link. Apply now. Okay, and if we post to publish, confirm. Okay, our product is, our blog is published. Okay, now if we go our website and just refresh this page, just airport wireless earbud high quality with cheap costing. This is our product. Here is this product ad. Here is the link of this product. Here we post, and here all this item buy now. If we click buy now, then we go to amazon.com website. Okay, and we go to this product. It is very easy and effective way to generate sales. If any customer click this link and go for any, this customer create or purchase any product in next 24 hours, you get the commission of this product. Here is, if you want to know about the commission rate, please see my another video. I already published a video about this product, which product generate how much commission. Some commission rate is up 1% to up to 20%. So every single product is different commission. Here, so guys, in this video, if you have any confusion, please let us know. I will give you a better solution. I will try you a better solution. Here all this report, here total commission, total boundaries, click, all report you get here. This is my new account. My old account is private, that's why I can't show this report. Sorry for that. Just it's for educational purpose, and you see this video. And if you like this, if you want to get know more about this type of video and another make money online video, please subscribe this channel, like this video and share with your friend, that another can know about this type of money making process in affiliate marketing. And Amazon Associate is the best affiliate marketing that anyone can easily make money online, huge amount of making online easily. So guys, thank you so much for stay this last time this video. We will discuss with another video in next episode. Next episode I will discuss this Amazon affiliate more secret, how to generate more traffic easily in your using your blogspot blogger website, totally free. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay happy.